Yes, sir.
TTRs is our development car. Right now it's full sleeve motor.
Oh, sleeve.
Yeah, sleeve motor, but stock turbo. I just got a TT 855 that we'll be putting in the car to develop software to put into our Golf R.
Or quicker spools, or just for?
No, just to make like 800 in the car. Or something
800 in the Golf R?
Yeah. Wow. So I'm developing the software in this car so that I can put it into the Golf R.
And I don't think they heard that when you said stock ECU.
Yeah,
like
stock ECU.
A lot of people, they can't, crack the DME and stuff like that. So they piggyback both side backs.
So if you look at any of these swap cars, there's 0 lights on the dashboard.
I respect that, man. So you guys know where to come if you guys are interested. I appreciate your time.
They didn't make these 7-speed. This has an RS3 7-speed in it.
You're fucking crazy.
Dude, I hated the manual. It was garbage.
Really?
Yeah. People are like, oh, you're not a purist. I'm like, you're right, I'm not.
I understand though. I understand. If you want to go fast,
yeah, launch control. Yeah, it took like a year for me to get all the parts to make the interior match and the steering wheel and the shift knob.
Can I see inside?
Yeah, just do whatever you want.
I'm gonna land. So he didn't like the manual. He BSG swapped it back, right?
Yep.
And let's see the difference. How much boost you running on low boost?
25.
Said 25 like nothing.
Got 992. Keep it coming the other way.
Yeah. Fucking way this shit pulls. Wow. Oh, 50-50 all decks too as well?
I think it's 60-40.
Oh, 60-40? Yeah. Because it don't feel like it slipped. It just went.
It slips a little bit.
Okay.
I mean, it's hot. It's not really
wow.
Thing. The method's off also.
Oh, you're running on met to cool it down?
Yeah, a little bit. Why not? Honestly, it doesn't do shit on a day like that.
Yeah, it's a hot day. IATs are up. Man, this car is beautiful. Holy shit. Need me a Daza. Oh man, what a day. You don't even hear the turbo spool, they're just instant.
Yeah, it's quick. It's a small turbo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What an example. So this car, he put a BSG swap, RS3 in there, and built motor. Car hooks, man, and car makes pow pow. It's a good day. Good day. Good day. It's a cool day. Woo. He definitely turned the hall decks off. Wow. Get the Daza swaps from, get the RS3s, take the engine out of them, and put them in something else. RS3 seats. Another Daza motor standing over there. Kind of blocked it off. Swap being done right here. A GT.